Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has issued a firm but constructive challenge to striker Lil Foster, urging him to raise his intensity after a frustrating display in South Africa's 1-1 draw against Panama national football team at Moses Mabhida Stadium. Foster, who plies his trade at Burnley FC, enjoyed a difficult outing in front of goal, missing key opportunities that could have secured victory for the host. One moment in particular stood out. The forward failed to square the ball to an unmarked Oswin Apolis, who was positioned just yards from the goal. Despite flashes of quality, Foster's overall performance drew scrutiny, with his movement and urgency, especially off the ball, falling short of expectations. At times, his body language suggested a lack of sharpness compared to his attacking teammates. Broos, however, was quick to clarify that the 23-year-old remains central to his long-term plans, particularly with the 2026 FIFA World Cup on the horizon, and said, "For me, Lil is a very good striker, but sometimes he's a little bit lazy in the game. We need someone who moves more and put defenders under pressure." The Belgian tactician emphasized that Foster is at his most dangerous when he uses his physical attributes, pace, strength, and movement, rather than waiting for service. He also pointed out that South Africa's system demands constant motion in attack rather than a static focal point, and said Lille can be very much more effective when he's moving. That's the kind of football we play. I prefer a striker who is tired after 70 minutes because he's worked hard, rather than one who is frustrated due to lack of movement. Since making his senior debut in 2020, Foster has registered 10 goals and 3 assists in 25 appearances, a respectable return that underlines his potential even if consistency remains a concern. Meanwhile, Broos reserved praise for Chambazwane, whose influence was evident despite limited minutes. The Mamelodi Sundowns playmaker added fluidity and creativity for Bafana Bafana's attack before being withdrawn after 55 minutes as part of a cautious workload management plan. So I think everyone saw why I selected him. He made us play better football, but we have to be careful not to overload him. The coach noted that Zwane's lack of regular game time at Mamelodi Sundowns has affected his sharpness, though he remains a key figure in the national setup. Broos confirmed that provided he stays fit, Zwane is guaranteed a place in the squad for the World Cup, even if he's not yet ready to complete a full match. As Bafana Bafana continue their preparations, Broos' message is clear. Talent alone will not be enough. With the global stage approaching, intensity, discipline, and consistency will determine who leads South Africa's charge in 2026. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.